Good day all of you. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Welcome to our session. In the previous sessions of shell programming, we have seen loops and control structures. We completed most of the loops like while and until, but we didn't see the loop section for. And we completed the conditional statements also like simple if, multiple if and all, but we didn't see statements. Case statement. So now these two we are going to see. First we are going to see the for syntax in shell script, how it will be. How for will look like in C and how for will look like in shell programming. For in C, for in shell script. For can be written as for initialization, condition, increment, statement 1, statement 2. This the for look like in C programming, but in shell script the for is different. For where in list of variables do statement 1, statement 2, at last we have to write done. In this way the for look like in shell program. We can exemplify the two things. We write one example based on this. See here, for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, printf some percentile d, comma I close. In this way we can write in C. Here for I in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do some a is equal to some expr of $a plus 1 echo a done. In this way we can write for loop in shell script. This is the way to write for loop in the C. This is way to write for loop in shell script, where the initialization condition can be done in the loop itself, but we check the loop in the list of the variables here we have given. This is the way to represent for loop in shell script. And now we are going to see the case statement, how it look like in C and shell script. What is the advantage of the case statement? In C programming, normally we see the case statement for checking multiple number of the conditions. We can see the multiple number of the conditions with the help of if-else statement also, but the code will be lengthier. So to optimize the code, obviously we go for case statement, and it is visible, and it is for visibility also it is good, for understanding also it is good. So case statement, how it look like in C? Case statement. Case A. Case 1, statement 1, BREAK, case 2, statement 2, BREAK. At the last we have default case, statement close. In this way we can see the case statement in C programming language. How the case look like in shell? Case where in pattern, first pattern, statement 1, double semicolon. Second pattern, statement 1, double semicolon. At the last we have default, statement 1, and at the last we write ESA. This is the way to write the case statement in shell. This is the way to write the case statement in C programming language. See here what is the difference. Breaks, this double semicolon will act as a break statement in case statement in the shell programming. So we can exemplify this with the help of writing some set of the programs in the coming sessions. In this way we can work with shell and as well as the first statements in our shell